0. Let's will discuss about the parity generator and parity checker. Now, when the transmitter want to send some data to the receiver, the transmitter or sender sends data to the receiver. This is a sender and this is receiver. When the data is sent to the receiver by the sender, at the receiver side, whether the data is received properly or not, that need to be checked. Now to check, while transmitting the data, whether is there any error in the data, is any data missing. So to detect the errors during the transmission process of a binary information, the concept of binary generator and checker is used. The parity bit is nothing but the extra bit which is included along with the binary message at the sender side. So when the data needs from sender to the receiver, the sender adds an extra bit into the data. That data is in the form of a binary. Along with that extra bit, the information is going to be sent by the sender and it is going to receive by the receiver. And receiver is checking that binary information along with the extra bit. And then it is going to be decide whether the transmitted data is received correctly or not. Whether is there any data loss or not. So to check that, the parity generator and parity checker is used. Now parity bit is nothing but an extra bit. Parity bit is nothing but extra bit which is included. Extra bit included along with the message. With the binary message. Clear? And this parity bit is either the even parity bit or either the odd parity bit. Now let's consider a 3-bit message the sender or a transmitter want to send to the receiver. Now the 3-bit message, variable A, B and C. Let's say example. Now 3-bit message will have the possible combination 0002 to 111. Now this is my data and this data the sender want to send to the receiver. Now at receiver side, the sender is going to check whether the data is received properly or not. But before going to that, before sending the data, the transmitter is adding one extra bit along with the data. Now the data is 3-bit variable or a 3-bit message. In this 3-bit, the 3 bits of actual data is available. Along with that, the is adding one more bit. That bit will be either a parity, odd parity bit or either the even parity bit. Now when the bit is added into the message to make the number of ones of a message as a odd, then the odd parity bit is generated. Clear? Now let's take my first data 000. Now in this data the number of ones available are 0. Now when I am considering odd parity bit, the odd parity bit is nothing but a number of ones, that is a 0 or a 1, which need to be added into the message or the data to make the number of ones as a odd. Clear? Now here in this message 000 means number of ones are 0. In the first message 000, number of ones are 0. Now 0 is odd or a even, that need to be checked. When I am talking about the odd parity bit, the 0 is not a odd. Now to make the 0 as a odd, we need to add 1 into this. So my odd parity, so the number of ones will become as a 1 and 1 is a odd number. So the odd parity will be 1 here. Clear? Now similarly the next number 0, 0, 1. Now in 0, 0, 1 the number of ones are 1. 1 is odd number. 1 is odd number. Means the number of ones, to make it is odd, I need to add 0 into this. So my odd parity for this message will be 0. Now similarly, the third example 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0 is having number of ones 1 and 1 is odd number. So I have to add 0 into 1. So answer will be 1 and it will become as odd. So the odd parity will be the 0. Now the next number 0, 1, 1. Now 0, 1, 1. Let's take the example. Third one 0, 1, 1. Now in this number of ones are 2 and 2 is even number. 2 is even number. Now in the odd parity bit, I have to transfer the odd number of ones. So to make the 0, 1, 1 as a odd number of ones. Again I am repeating. So to make the message 0, 1, 1 with odd number of ones, I need to add 1 into the message. So my actual data is 0, 1, 1. When I will add 1 into this, then number of ones will become 3 and 3 is the odd number. So the odd parity for this message will be the 1. Do you clear the concept? How to find out the odd parity bit? Yes, all of you clear the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you clear how to find the odd parity bit? If you clear the concept, no need to by heart the table. Try to understand the concept. Now again, let's take the another example. Remember, again I am repeating. Parity bit is the extra bit which is added together a message while transmitting a data from transmitter to the receiver side. Odd parity bit will 1 when the number of ones into the sending message are even and we want to make it as a odd. When the message need to be sent to the receiver is having number of ones odd, then at that time the odd parity bit will be 0. Clear? समझ में आ गया? Yes, all of you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now similarly tell me for 1, 0, 0, what will be the odd parity bit? Number of ones are 1. 1 is odd number, means no need to add extra bit as a 1. Extra bit will be the 0 at that time. So the extra bit, that is odd parity bit, will be 0. Now the next message 1, 0, 1 having number of ones 2. 2 is a even number. To make the number of ones in the message odd numbers, I need to add one more, the extra bit as a 1. So 1, 1 and one more extra bit as a 1, it will become a 3 and 3 is a odd number. So the odd parity bit will be the 3. Similarly, next message 1, 1, 0 number of ones 2. 2 is a even number. To make number of ones as a odd, I need to add the extra bit as a 1. So the number of ones will become 1, 1, 1 and 1 is a and 3 is a odd parity bit. Similarly 1, 1, 1. Now here in this case 3 ones are available. 3 is a odd number. So no need to add extra bit as a 1. Add the extra bit as a 0. Clear? Now if our parity generator is odd parity generator, then along with this 3-bit message, the odd parity generator is sending one more extra bit and that extra bit is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Means while sending the data, let's say the transmitter is sending the data 0, 1, 0 to the receiver. So while sending the data, instead of sending only 0, 1, 0 along with the parity bit, so this is one more parity bit is added together with the message. This is a parity bit, odd parity bit. Okay, it along with the, it is sending to the receiver. Now receiver is receiving the data 0, 0, 1, 0, but actual data is 0, 1, 0. This is the parity bit. Clear? समझ में आ गया? Yes, all of you clear the concept odd parity bit generator?
Yes.
Is anybody having doubt in the odd parity generator? अगर आपको concept समझ में आ गई, then you can write the truth table with your own. No need to by heart, no need to memorize. Directly you can apply the concept and you can find out the truth table values. Once you will find the truth table, now it is very easy to design and implement. How we can realize the logic circuit then? We can implement a K-map for the odd parity bit. Then for that odd parity bit, the K-map will be containing the 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Then find out the minimized expression and then design that by using the logic circuit. Clear? Now similarly to the odd parity bit, if the parity bit generator is even parity bit generator. Now in the even parity bit generator, the one more extra bit is going to be generated. The generator, parity generator will be either even parity generator or will be either odd parity generator. Remember. Clear? If the even parity generator is there, even parity bit is going to be added into the message. If it is odd parity generator, then odd parity generator is generating odd parity bit and it is added together 3-bit message while sending to the receiver. Now in the even parity bit generator, instead of making the number of ones in the message as a odd, now we have to make it as a even. Let's take for example 0, 0, 0. Now 0, 0, 0 is having number of ones 0. Now 0 is not a odd number. So no need to add 1 into the message. So my even parity bit will be the 0. 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 is a 1. Number of ones are 1. 1 is odd number. To make it as a even, we need to add the extra bit as a 1. So 1, 1. कितने हो गए अभी? 1, 1, 2. Now 2 is even number. Similarly, 0, 1, 0. Number of ones are 1. We need to add extra bit as a 1, which will make the number of ones as a 2. 2 is a even number. Now for 0, 1, 1. Number of ones are 2. 2 is a even number. No need to add extra bit as a 1. So the even parity bit will be the 0. Similarly for 1, 0, 0. The parity bit, even parity bit will be 1. 1, 0, 1. Even parity bit will be 0. 1, 1, 0. Even parity bit will be 0. 1, 1, 1. 3 is odd number of ones. Now to make the number of ones in the message as a even, we need to add the parity bit as even parity bit as a 1. So the number of ones will become 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 4 is a even number. Clear? Odd parity generator and even parity generator. Parity generator. Three variable K-map. A, B and C. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. After plotting the even parity bit, this column now 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 on the K-map. Now the K-map will look like this: 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now K-map is look like this. Now we'll try for chords or pairs. It is not possible. All are isolated ones. So circle them and find out the minimized expression. Now the expression will be, for this one, the expression will be A bar, B bar, C plus this expression A bar, B, C bar plus this one A B bar C bar plus A, B and C. By taking A bar as common outside, my expression will look like this: A bar BC plus BC bar plus, and by taking A common in from these two terms, side B bar C bar plus BC. Now the expression I can rewrite like this. Now we know that A bar B plus A B bar is nothing but A XOR B. So I can write the expression like this: A bar B XOR C plus A B bar C bar plus BC. Now again we know that A bar B bar plus AB is nothing but the A XOR B. So I can write the B XOR C. The expression is like this. Now again I can rewrite the expression: A bar B XOR C plus A, and here I can write B XOR C and not, because XOR, that is not of XOR. So I can rewrite the expression like this. Now again I know that A bar B plus AB bar XOR B. Expression now I can rewrite A XOR B XOR and C. Now this is the simplified expression of the even parity generator. Now this expression we can implement by using the logic circuits. Now the three inputs A, B and C I am using. Now to the first XOR gate I am giving the input as AB. Let's say for example A and B. It is giving the A XOR B. I am using one more XOR gate and I am giving the input first and the input, which is giving me XOR C. Even parity generator. This is the logic diagram of even parity generator. I hope all you have cleared the concept of even parity generator. Is anybody having doubt in the even parity generator?